Who are we following? Are we following you or are we following them?
Doing a roundabout back down.
Right.
And it's past where we went. I think it's maybe a mile or two. You'll see lead hills.
Take a right there. Right, that's our stop to a cup of tea and a boiler, that was nice. Gonna head up to Menock Pass. On the road. Yeah, you're all definitely quicker than me.
we're used to cutting about together anyway. We're used to setting a pace with the crowd of boys. Landlocked head. Alright, you want to continue doing that? Doesn't matter. I'm easy Aussie, but I just stopped here to see where you wanted to go. Right.
Aye. See, that's the one I've been up before is Menock Pass.
Do you know what I didn't actually understand was Mennock was a good bit before Soggy.
If you know where you're going, do you want to lead us onto the road then and then Graham can jump in front?
Jiggle around and do what you want to do with cameras.
That was some crosswind, wasn't it? Right, so that was Landlocked Head, the highest village in Scotland. Which I kind of find it strange that the highest village isn't in the Highlands, but there you go. This would be a good place for a camp.